Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make face wash. That's acne face wash. I know some of you be like, why should we have a separate face wash or a separate face soap from our body? Why should we do that? Why don't we just use the same body soap that we use on our body for our face? Honey, your face and your body are different textures. They definitely have different textures. There's sometimes you can have a sensitive face and your skin can be a combination skin or a dry skin. It's the texture of the face is totally different from the body. They are not the same. They're not always the same. And take for example, I use K Brothers on my face. That's the real K Brothers, the small one, USA, and it tends to fade off dark spots. But I remember using it on my body and I had breakouts around my armpits. I had dark spots that started coming out. First started coming out as boil, little boil, then later it turned into a black spot. So what I'm saying is there's some face soap that can be harsh on the face but won't be harsh on the body. Vice versa, the same thing goes for the body. There's some soap that can be harsh on the body but won't be harsh on the face. Yes, that is the truth. That's one thing about our body. It's just a mystery. So this face soap is actually it's a face wash, actually, not a face soap. It's actually very good for people suffering from acne. You know, people who actually have acne prone skin. You know, most times they get to say watch what you eat. Yeah, it matters too. At the same time, what you put on your body also matters. So the ingredient needed would need half cup of castile soap. That's liquid castile soap. We don't need the bar castile soap, because if you're breaking it then you'll be adding water into it. It's almost still the same thing, but liquid castile soap will do us more good here. So we need a liquid castile soap. That's half cup of liquid castile soap. We'll also need half cup of honey. Hope you know I keep saying it in all my videos, honey is the spice of life. Hope you know honey tends to help fade off like if we're having any skin irritation on our face, you know, it tends to fade it off. And it makes the skin soothing. You know, it's a very good there's a word I'm using, antioxidant. It's very good on the face. Honey can also be used as your mask. It tends to fade off acne. If you get the original honey, not the ones those women that sell agbo sell. You know, they sell one blackish honey that like if you just put it down in the next 2 minutes, sugar is already ants are already on it like sugar. So that's not honey. We don't need that. You need the real original honey, because that is what will do more good to your skin. So that's half cup of honey. We also need 1 cup of our distilled water. Now for people who probably do not know how to go about this and say, I must get distilled water, I must get distilled water. You know, sometimes when I go out to the market to get some stuffs and I see some people say, please, I want to buy distilled water. Seriously? It's as simple as anything. You can just boil your water, allow it to cool down, then you filter it. You know, then you're getting a good extract of your water out, because you've taken out all the debris, you've taken out the germs and all that. By boiling it, you've killed the germ. By filtering it, you filter the dirt out of it. So your water is plain and good. So you can just do that. So we need 1 cup of distilled water, or you can boil your water. People will probably have money to buy distilled water. Oh, well and good. You can just boil your water and filter it. So that's, you need 1 cup of water. And would need our lemongrass, 10 drops of lemongrass. Hope you know lemongrass tends to fade away dark spots. You know, it fades off people who tend to have acne prone skin. Lemongrass is really good. So 10 drops of lemongrass is really good. Now we'd need 5 drops of tamanu oil. I know some of you will be like, what's tamanu oil? What's tamanu oil? Hey, there's something you should know. There are some oils most of us in Nigeria probably do not know about. So many oils we feel, oh, okay, mostly almond oil, mostly lavender oil, but tamanu oil is very good. It's the best oil suitable for people with acne prone skin, oily skin, and scarred skin. Now, you know, remember I said this face wash is meant for acne prone skin. So imagine when you're using an oil that is best suitable for a scarred skin, because hope you know when you have breakout, you're meant to have scarred, because most of those pimples, you know, they tend to, most times people tend to, I tend to pinch my own when I had pimples then. So I'll pinch it and I tend to have like scarred skin. So this tamanu oil is really, really good in taking off things like that, taking off your acne, your scarred skin. It's really, really good. And we need lavender oil. We need 10 drops of our lavender essential oil. Why do we really need lavender oil? One, to give it scent, to give it a soothing relief on our body. You know, most times people tend to use lavender oil to massage their body. Hope you know. Some people that probably do not know this, yes, they do. And it relaxes the body. You know, when you're using a face wash on your face, or a body wash, if you're bathing, you need something to relax your body. No, that's why I keep saying, why would you use a black soap that would itch you? You know, coming out, you itching your body. A soap should relax your body, because after you're coming out from hard day's job, you're tired, you're going into the bedroom to take your bath. You need something that would soothing your body, that would relax you and relax your mind. Taking your bath relaxes the body. It shouldn't be itchy. So you need lavender oil. You need 10 drops of our lavender oil to do that. So preparing this is pretty simple. It's pretty simple. And you can decide to add witch hazel oil, but the reason why I said you shouldn't add witch hazel, sorry, it tends to have reaction to some skin. You know, that's why I said it's better for us not to add witch hazel, because some people, when they use witch hazel, they tend to have redness around their face and all that. So that was why I decided to scrap it. But most times people tend to use witch hazel as well. You know, they tend to use it as their cleanser and all that, but it's not suitable for all skin. It's not suitable for all skin, but it's actually very good for acne prone skin. Witch hazel is really, really good for acne prone skin. So all we have to do is you get your castile soap, you put in a bowl or in a container, not an empty container like a filling container. You put in a container or a bowl, a big bowl. Then you pour your water into it. You know, that's a very good way to do it. But there are other ways you can do it. Like how you can do it is you get your water, put your water in a container. I'm telling you, there are different methods of doing it. Some people probably like put their castile soap in a container, then pour the water, then pour the ingredients together and mix it. Well, you can also decide to go a longer way that would actually get all the ingredients and solutions all together before pouring it into your castile soap. How I tend to do mine is I would pour the distilled water in a different container compared to a container for that of the castile soap. Then after pouring the water, I'll put my honey, you know, into the water. Then I'll mix it. I'll allow it to incorporate very well. You know, the honey is very thick. It's very, very thick. So we need it to soothe in well into the water. So we need to keep stirring it well. So after stirring it, we add our oils into the water as well. Then after stirring it for a while, you mix it really well, because since honey is thick, you need to mix it well so it incorporates with the water. Then you pour it into your castile soap, and that's your face wash. And you can use it morning and night. That's when you use your face wash. You use it, it's different from your body wash. Now I know some people will be like, oh, I have body spots, can I use that? Only no. You know, I keep saying it, no. But you can actually still use it as a body wash if you want to use it as a body wash. But the reason why I said you should use it as just your face wash is the texture of the face is totally different. Now, since your body might react to the lemongrass oil into it. Yes, your body might react to it. So, you know, there are so many skin. Just as wheat gem oil, sorry about that, made a mistake. Wheat gem oil tends to, it's actually for, it's to shade your skin. Yeah, it's like a sunscreen lotion. It helps in shading the skin. But people with acne prone skin dare not go close to wheat gem oil. Else, it will give you a crazy breakout, like as if you went to fight World War II. Everywhere, all over your face is a breakout. Crazy one. So you can imagine how an oil that can help shield you from the sun can still damage your skin. You just have to be careful of what. Just be cautious of the oil that is suitable for your skin. That's why I said this is suitable for the face. So for the body oil and everything, we'll talk about next time. I'm probably going to give you guys another tips of some other, you know, so if you've been watching my channel, from the beginning till this time and you've still not subscribed, honey, please do so. And please share, like my videos, and I love you guys like kilo day. Bye guys.